Hi, welcome back. In the last video, I shown you how you can get Yahoo Finance data to your Flutter application. And in this video, I'll show you how you can use a color scale like the one you have on Google Spreadsheet, this feature that gives a color to a cell depending on a value. And I will show you how you can do it in a Flutter application like this one. So, for that I will use this package, the color scale. I'll start to get this dependency in the Flutter application. So, right below the Yahoo Finance data reader I add the color scale. We'll do a pub.get and we'll do a not restart. Okay. So, the color scale widget should be added like here for each element of this list. So I'll put it here, a new widget. We'll get here the name of the widget that I should import. Okay. The Android Studio continues with the bug of the imports cache. Okay, I'll add it here. Okay, now should be giving the error that requires a value. Okay, so I'll give like also a mean value and a max value, so the colors should be able to oscillate between different values, and we'll also give the colors. Okay, so I'll put for now like 20 as the value. We'll give the mean color a red and the max color green. Okay, and now everything should be green. Okay. Okay, so I will also give a margin between the elements right here. It says symmetric vertical, and I think I will give just a margin below on the bottom, and we'll give like a decoration so the container will be curved in the corners. So not sure if this container should be, this decoration should be here or in the widget below, but I will start here. Okay, so let's start with the border radius, circular 10. Okay, let's see if this works. So it didn't work, so I will give the radius below here in a new container. Probably I should use a clip rect to give the same effect of the radius, but to a widget below. This is like a it will do like the same functionality, because probably like here the problem is that we don't have a color in this container. Like if I give a color here, it will be with the curved corners. Yes, but the rest it's not. So what I should do is I should give like a radius here in the clip, radius rectangle. Okay, I'll give a border radius, and here I should just get this the same radius, but in a clip R rectangle. Okay, so I will take this out now and see if it works. Yes, it's already working. It doesn't work in the bottom, but that's clearly because of these margins. So I can just take this out and put here, and now it should be like perfect. Yes, now it's looking great. So now what we want for this app is to have the color of the card depending on the variation from the last day. So here we need a new value, like a double with the variation, and this variation will start at 0, and if the index it's not 0, we will go to the index before and compare the values. So we will not, in the 0 we cannot be look back to see the value, but in the rest of the elements we can. So I'll just get, so this is the today value, and the yesterday value will be in a different variable. That will be the index minus 1. Okay. Okay, and this should update the variation. Okay, so it's today value dividing by yesterday value, and to get the percentage, I guess it's -1, and yeah, and probably multiply by 100. So this variation can be presented like here. So the variation should be toString with a fixed fraction digits. Okay, now we are getting the variation since the last day. Okay. The value, I'll put a breakpoint here, and what this value should be the variation. Okay, so let's see if the calculation is being well done. Okay, so yesterday was below today value, and the variation should be positive. Let's see. Yeah, it is. Okay. So it's already giving different colors. Now we can also play with these values. Like for example, if I put -5 here and +5 to a positive value, probably it will be, yeah, now it looks greener, and this value can be like updated to what you prefer. But yeah, you can already give a color to an element, depending on a value or on a value that you want to give feedback to the user. So I guess it's that for the video. I will give also a margin here, a padding, so the so the date is not so close to the top. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and it helped you to use this package, and I see you next time.